So how can you install apps on the App Store without typing in the whole password, right? So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. But what you need to do is to open up the Settings app of your iPad and then find the Face ID and Passcode section. So if your iPad has Face ID, it's going to be called like that. But if it has Touch ID, obviously it's going to be called Touch ID and Passcode. But just authenticate yourself by typing in your code, and you have a bunch of other settings in here. So you can see that you can use Face ID for unlocking the iPad, but you can also use it for iTunes and App Store. And you want to ensure that the green toggle is there, so you don't really have to type in the password for downloading apps, but you can just scan your face or fingerprint to download the app. Another important setting here, part of this section, is if you scroll down a bit more, you can see we have a little section called Require Passcode. And this can be set to immediately or later, right? So that's another thing which you can take a look at. And you can also just adjust it slightly based on your preferences. But, the thing which I mentioned at the beginning, like going to making sure that Face ID can be used is like a great step, as it allows you to basically make sure that you don't have to type in the long Apple ID password every time. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.